Video Miss Joanne, I couldn't see bally almost. See me get more material, sand, gravel, cement and more block. I buy the ply them. And I show you, because I don't want nobody to feel like me and am them money. And I hold on for nobody money because I chipping idea yeah, and from what day. So see it there, the wall coming up in the run out of material. And I get the rest of block them. See it there right here, so if you are going to construct a little balcony for Miss Joanne, anything me I do for people or myself, I do it good and done. See right over there is on my pier. This is my Silone house. On my pier Miss Andrea. For put up the something at the ear for the light wire run pan. I give Mr. Myrie the money for buy the wire to there. I'm going to get them and come organize so that them can get them proper sort out from JPS. Everybody responsible for themselves. See here, Miss Joanne, material, black for the wall. Buy them. It not finished. Me need some fancy black for put up on the top of it like that. I want to not see. Because I not play dolly house. I not play upscotch. I work with my word and what God say. So we are step up here now, Miss Joanne. I send the ladies them up here, they reach already. So the Pakuruku was still there in the yard. What we are then all dressed and sitting here, so.
Somebody come in for it in the week here.
Alright, all of them things I want to get rid of them. I want to build up your yard, like, build it up so you can come down and me have out here. Miss Joanne fans them, I not leave nothing and turn. Rasta jam my slippers, I have to turn back and put on all plastic shoes. Rain wet up my foot. So, Miss Joanne, all of them plank here out here, so go and halfy. This are the cement them cover up under this, right? Yes, but just want the people them know. I not jerk no chicken the last time when I come up here wall never reached this level. Column never put up. The gate man supposed to finish the gate. And we need to give Miss Joanne some better step. So the whole of this have to go fix over. And can you see the depth of this step? Miss Joanne people, me are going to come on board. See it there? The step them too high, right, Miss Joanne?
Yes, Miss Joanne.
So I'm going to have to get paid workman now to bring them down smaller. Stepping like foot apart, right? Because these are very high and these were not constructed by me. Understand? Yeah. So I could come in, come see what the ladies them do. I want the lady at England. See your house. The cupboard man did for come this week. Weekend we're gone. But because the rain, him couldn't get to come and him never finish it up. You see where your money spending, ma'am?
Yes, Miss Joanne.
Talk and looking at your phone, ma'am. Alright, when you come to the planka business, I know you night. Open the door. And no plastic still up by your door. So Miss Andrea needs to come to sun to come and work, but Rasta your machine set up. You washing it yet?
No.
I forgot the light business. Stove over corner there, so. The fridge can't hold in here, no? Or the fridge. If you come in here, the door, I tell them, I instruct Miss Andrea to take off the door and swing it from the outside.
Miss Andrea say, I'm not telling up now, listen.
Talk, you afraid? What she say?
She said the door can't take off.
Miss Andrea have to swing the door on this side. The door going to open on this side. Yeah. Tell her me say so. Yeah. So I will talk to her. You don't worry about that because guess what? When the door swing inside, you have less space. Yeah. So if this door put on and swing on the outside, you can put the machine right here, so, and the fridge right here. So you understand? Yeah. So you will have more space. Yeah. Miss Joanne, you want a map? Alright. So, and she said she's going to come and deal with the window and the rest of the work this week. Whoa. Come in, make them see up. Lord Jesus. You forget bedside. I like setting up, you know. Look for Miss Joanne's bed. Not of them come and do a good work. See there? Miss Joanne, you sleeping night yet? I want 2 bedside tables for this, or 1. So you can put your little medicine and your little pillow on your bedside instead of you have to get up. So the lady will help Miss Joanne from far. You see your fan? Put it up so you may organize a plug over there so when Mr. Myrie come. so you can stay and get your fan on your bed. Bathroom clean and pretty. See it there? Rasta Jah. I need a door here, so I talk to Miss Andrea. So if you have any little friend them come to you, and you them want to use the bathroom, you don't have to smell nothing.
True, man.
Your chest a draw, well, I don't like that side here. The lady say, you need a TV on the wall. So which part of the dresser there? I'm going to move it and put the chest drawer here, so when we get it, that component set not working though. Want to fix. Yeah. So you need a TV and a little component set or a little radio where you can hear your music. Your little gospel in there.
Yes.
Alright, so we just have show. I forget the curtain rod then. Then they here.
Me give them one me have.
Not them then. We forget the proper one. We put up.
And the curtain where you did care for me.
Yeah.
I know room curtain, a kitchen curtain.
No man, I don't know that. Me I go get proper curtains.
I'm sure you did say a curtain for the window, but when we give them, when they ask for it and me give them, they say no, a kitchen window. So me give
a
them
kitchen window and me make mistake. And your nice little dresser. And your fridge there here, so your fridge you go in the kitchen and the microwave. Because we're going to put one wardrobe here, so you can pack up your little clothes them in night. Yeah. That the lady said, she said, I want you to see everything out here, so now. This is where you're supposed to swell you now. This is how you go and get your little balcony. You're leaving you in fine style. You understand? Because God no start nothing and no finish it. Right. So your face light. Want Mr. Mary to come set up the wire them feel neat. Because be a planker there so with them wire, yeah. But him go and come. So Ms. Joanne, how you feel overall? Yeah. What you want to say to the lady that assist and all, everybody? Last time I give the hardware 120 on the bill. And I've been buying and paying bali from the rest and stuff like that and get material. I still have a balance down there. So I don't have any secrets, so talk what you want to say.
Well, the lady that really give me these furniture, thank God for his many blessings. And I give a special thanks to that lady. Wasn't looking for this. But me give thanks to her and the rest of donors. Miss Tammy Fee, me give her a lot of thanks. Many thanks and respect to her. And you, Miss Ghana, many thanks and love and respect to you. You why me get these things.
I know honest to God, me love you. Although you're miserable and sassy like
miserable.
You have your good time and your bad time just like me. So no worry, me see you so have your little balcony like how you done now and you just go look down at yonder. See there? You look out palm breeze and look like a pass and so. Because you love you inside, you know. But no worry, me go and set you up. Alright, so when I come again with video, somebody bring, yes. So everything.
This small.
Yes, oh, it's small for the bed.
They give them my...
Well, you have to go donate. Actually, a queen bed, me buy. This is our size.
Small.
We can donate it to somebody. Make the person them see our size this.
What the fitted and the cover?
4 piece. It's a figure, it's small. Alright, keep it. When we think about it, we go and give it to somebody. Yeah? When you God bless you, you can bless my dears. Alright.